What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another YouTube video by your girl Octavia.Darling. In this video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing lock curls, and I'm so excited because I've been wanting to do this, but I've been putting it off for some time now. But we're going to get into it today. As you can see, I'm in a different setting. That is because I'm currently out of town on vacation, but the content still has to be creative, right? So we're not going to slack on that. So I'm just going to show you the products that I'm going to be using, and then we're just going to hop right into this tutorial so that you can see the lock curl method. We're going to get this started. I'm going to be using this hair mousse by Mielle. It is the Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Mousse. I'm going to be using the gray perm rods. I have, I think, 5 packs of these, and there's 12 in each pack. And I'm also going to be using the Cream of Nature 24-hour edge tamer, just in case I need some of my roots to smooth it out as I do a light retwist before rodding. And yeah, I've never used this product, but I'm using it because I'm on vacation, and this is what I got from the hair store. And I've also never used the mousse, but we're going to use that today as well. And lastly, I have a water spray bottle that I'll be using to lightly damp my hair. That's another thing. I did not freshly wash my hair. I'm just going to lightly damp it because I don't have a hooded dryer to sit under, so my hair is going to be air drying for the day, and I want to rock this style tonight. So we're not going to oversaturate it too much. We just want to get a nice curl pattern. So let's hop right into this video. Okay, so first thing first, if you've been rocking with me for some time now, you always know that I like to start with moisturized hair. So I just sprayed a little bit of water, and now I'm adding some almond oil to my locks just to make sure it's nicely moisturized before I rod it, and just moving the oil down throughout my locks. And now I'm about to start getting to the rodding process. So I needed to just do a light retwist at the roots with my locks before starting to rod, and that's what you see me doing here. And by the way, I can't believe my locks are long enough to where I can tuck it under my chin to hold it down. Like that's a big deal for me. But anyways, I'm grabbing the mousse. I am applying it at the bottom of my locks, and then I'm going to work my way up and then massage it throughout. So now I have my rod, and I am starting at the end, and I'm going to tuck the ends of my locks under and then start to roll it up towards my face. So that's what you see me doing here. All right. So after rolling it up, I am now securing the rod to make sure it's not loose, but is actually tight. Well, not tight, but secure at the base of my head. And so I'm going to show you all once again how I do this before we proceed throughout the rest of this tutorial. Okay, so as you can see, I finished, for the most part, the back of my head, and I'm going to continue to repeat this process throughout the rest of my head, and I'll have the clips sped up so that you all can just sit back and watch me finish this style. Okay, so I'm in a little pickle because this is how much I have left to rod, and this is how many rods I have left. I'm not going to be able to go to the hair store, and I don't want to take any of these down in the back because they're very secure. So I'm going to have to figure something out, a way to improvise to where it doesn't look crazy. It might just be like a partial lock curl style. I can do some bantu knots or something like that to kind of make it curly as well, but we're going to test this out and see. And what's crazy is that when I was at the hair store, I knew that I was supposed to get 6 packs of rods, but I was like, no, I'll just do 5. I should be fine. And I'm not. So far, it's been about an hour that I've been rodding my hair, so it hasn't been taking long. I've just been casually doing it as I'm watching Blackish, but I think I will go ahead and just do some bantu knots for the remaining locks, because that'll still give me some kind of, sorry if you hear dogs in the background, but that'll still give me some kind of curl pattern, and I might even keep them in depending on how it looks when I take my rods out. Okay, so I ended up doing 2 little knots in the front. Sorry for the dogs, I'm gonna talk quick, but I did 2 little bantu knots in the front. I twisted the locks down and then wrapped it around. I think I know what I'm gonna do with this section of my hair when I take my curls out. I might make it into a bang and do like a swoop and then have the curls fall over. But I'm going to keep y'all posted once I show y'all the results. So I'll check in with y'all later. About to let my hair air dry, and we'll see how this turns out. Alright, the time has come. I am about to take down the first rod. It's been about 6 hours that my hair has been air drying, so I'm very eager to see the results. Ooh. At this point, I'm like, wait, does it look good? Does it look good? And then my cameraman decided to zoom in so you all can really see the pattern. But look how cute and bouncy that curl looks. Like, let's go. And now I'm taking down the second one. I'm super excited now because I felt that little bounce and I'm like, let's go. Okay, yes, so I'm just going to continue taking down these rods because now I'm like, okay, I got to take them down. Y'all see the 2 little bantu knots in the front of my head? Oh my gosh. But anyways, I really liked doing this. It didn't take long for me to prep my, to rod my hair at all. I think I like the method of just keeping my hair damp and not doing too much. But yeah, so I'm going to finish taking this down. As far as the results, I will include the results after this part. And I just want to say thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Octavia.Darling, and I'll see y'all in the next video.